You know?
Go.
Retard.
Wait, does he have a cup of water?
That one's probably a lot harder. Watch out for the fly thing.
Kelly.
Probably
Move.
not helping either.
Does he have water?
No, get him some water.
Okay. I'll get you a
A
big
lot harder.
Watch out.
The camera. Don't do it. You know you want to do it. The water. The water's right in front of you. Come on, turn back around. The camera's watching.
Eyes are watering. See it. Does it taste like hot dogs?
I bet it tastes pretty good, doesn't it? Good.
What the heck is that?
I don't know, like San Diego.
Well, like, crab chicken water or something.
You done?
Barely. No.
Are you done?
No.
You're not done.
Because he's got more. Right, grab some water.
Chug, 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 chug.
Keep going, because he's got no more.